Julian Marley, carrying the torch of reggae royalty. Julian Ricardo Marley, born on June 4, 1975, in London, England, is a son of the legendary Bob Marley and Lucy Pounder. As a musician, songwriter, and producer, Julian continues the Marley legacy with his unique blend of roots reggae, conscious lyrics, and spiritual connection. More than just an heir to a global musical dynasty, Julian has carved out his own space in the world of reggae, captivating audiences with his soulful voice and commitment to spreading messages of love and unity. Musical journey. Growing up in a family synonymous with reggae, Julian Marley was exposed to music from an early age. His father's influence loomed large, but Julian's own passion for music blossomed naturally. By the age of 5, he was playing the guitar, and as he grew older, he mastered other instruments, including the keyboards, bass, and drums. His childhood, split between England and Jamaica, gave him a rich cultural perspective, which is evident in his music. Julian released his debut album, Lion in the Morning, in 1996, a project that showcased his talent as both a musician and a messenger of Rastafarian principles. His subsequent albums, A Time and Place, 2003, and the Grammy-nominated Awake, 2009, solidified his reputation as an artist who honors his father's legacy while pushing reggae into new realms. Tracks like Boon Draw and Systems from Awake reveal Julian's lyrical depth and his ability to address social and political issues with grace. Julian is also a key member of the Ghetto Youths International, a record label and production company founded by his brothers Stephen, Damien, and Ziggy Marley. Through this platform, he collaborates with fellow artists and mentors emerging talent, further cementing his commitment to reggae's evolution. Lifestyle and spirituality. As a devoted Rastafarian, Julian Marley's lifestyle reflects his spiritual beliefs. His music is deeply rooted in the tenets of Rastafari, emphasizing peace, love, and the upliftment of humanity. Julian often speaks about the importance of maintaining a natural lifestyle, including a vegetarian diet and a focus on holistic health. Julian is also a humanitarian, actively participating in charitable initiatives. He supports causes related to education, health, and poverty alleviation, particularly in underserved communities in Jamaica and beyond. His advocacy extends to environmental issues, aligning with his Rastafarian belief in living harmoniously with nature. Net worth and legacy. As of 2024, Julian Marley's net worth is estimated to be around $5 million. His earnings come from album sales, live performances, and his work with Ghetto Youths International. However, Julian measures success not in monetary terms but in his ability to inspire change and uplift people through his music. Julian Marley's legacy is intertwined with that of his iconic father, yet he has proven himself to be a visionary artist in his own right. His dedication to preserving and evolving reggae music while staying true to his roots has made him a respected figure in the genre. With every song and performance, Julian continues to spread the timeless message of love and unity, ensuring that the Marley name remains synonymous with cultural and spiritual empowerment.